Cryptocurrencies have had some problems, but some people say they are one of the best chances right now. What do you say to people who say they want to get into crypto? Do you offer people the chance to invest in cryptocurrency through Franklin Templeton? Yes, we do. To begin, I would say that Bitcoin is the biggest distraction from the biggest problem facing financial services right now. I wish this weren't the case because every time someone talks about crypto, whether it's Dogecoin or Bitcoin, they start talking about whether or not the currency has value. Do not bother with that. It is like a religion. People will either believe or not believe, and they will never agree. But blockchain as a tool and what it can do will change everything in a big way. So it will not only change the way standard back offices work and make them much more efficient, but it will also change the way businesses work. Franklin Templeton works hard to get the XRP ETF approved. The price goes up by 8%. An S1 application form for Franklin Templeton has been sent to the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, so that an exchange-traded fund, ETF for XRP, can be officially launched. This comes after the company filed the Franklin XRP Trust in Delaware, which showed that it was working hard to bring an XRP investment product to market. Since exchange-traded funds, ETFs for Bitcoin and Ethereum are already up and running, all eyes are now on the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, to see if they will allow an ETF for XRP. If it is accepted, it could allow even more institutional investors to get involved with XRP, which could shake the markets. Will this exchange-traded fund be approved even though the SEC has a past of taking too long and being very careful? This page tells you what you need to know. There is tough racing going on. Other asset managers such as Bitwise 21 Shares, Canary Capital, Grayscale, and Wisdom Tree have joined Franklin Templeton in the race to make an exchange-traded fund, ETF for XRP. XRP is the fourth biggest cryptocurrency by market capitalization right now. Investors will be able to buy it if the exchange-traded fund ETF is approved and the trading process on the CBOE-BZX exchange is completed. Coinbase will be the main broker for the fund, and Coinbase custody will be in charge of keeping the XRP funds safe. The CME-CF XRP dollar reference rate will be used to figure out how much the ETF is worth. The SEC's ruling about XRP exchange-traded funds has been put off. The SEC has already admitted that several XRP ETF files have been sent in, starting with Grayscale's bid on February 14th. It took 240 days to review all the applications, and those from Wisdom Tree, Canary Capital, and CoinShares were also looked at during that time. Analysts at Bloomberg, Eric Balchunas, and James C. Fart say that there is a 65% chance that the Securities and Exchange Commission will allow XRP-based exchange-traded funds, ETFs, in 2025. However, the government has recently put off making a decision about Grayscale's XRP exchange-traded fund, ETF, saying that it needs more time to look into the application. The Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has also put off the launch of other cryptocurrency exchange-traded funds ETFs. These include the VanEck Spot Solana ETF, the Canary Spot Litecoin and Solana ETFs, and the Grayscale Spot Dogecoin ETF. People who are investing will have to wait until May 2025 to find out if these petitions are approved, denied, or put off even longer. Only XRP exchange-traded funds have to meet the next date, which is May 22, 2025. This group includes documents sent in by Canary Capital, Bitwise, and Grayscale. All of these papers are still being looked over. The statement by Franklin Templeton has given XRP a boost. This is because the Securities and Exchange Commission SEC is still in court with Ripple Labs over whether or not XRP is a security. The price of the cryptocurrency went up by 8% in just 24 hours after the news came out. The fact that XRP is still worth $2.19 shows how durable it is, even though the market has been going up and down recently. A cryptocurrency expert named Cassie Trade says that XRP is continuing to go up. This is because it is still holding strong. As long as the price of a unit of XRP stays above $2.40, it may keep going up. The next important levels of resistance to watch are $2.25 and $2.70. A look at the shop. It's good news for buyers that XRP has recently gone up in value. Many of them are keeping a close eye on what the SEC does next. In the past year, the value of the cryptocurrency has grown by more than 3 times. There are claims that it is also a part of President Trump's plan for a new strategic reserve. Now that big institutions are getting involved and prices are going up, the next big rise for XRP may be closer than it looks. Franklin Templeton has applied for an exchange-traded fund, ETF, that would track the spot price of XRP, one of the most popular cryptocurrencies. This is a big step toward asset managers that are focusing on more than just Bitcoin. The registration, which was sent in on Tuesday, also shows that institutional buyers are becoming more interested in digital assets. XRP was created by the American company Ripple. It has the 4th highest market price in the world, worth about $124 billion. A similar filing was made last month for an exchange-traded fund, ETF, that would track the spot price of Solana. Franklin Templeton is following up on that file. This filing is part of a bigger trend going on in the Bitcoin business. This year, Grayscale Investments started a fund based on Dogecoin. This is more proof that buyers want to spread their money around among different digital assets besides Bitcoin. The government of President Donald Trump is creating a better regulatory environment, which is helping to grow interest in alternative cryptocurrencies. This is because the Trump administration is expected to be more open to digital assets. People are interested in this because the regulatory environment is good. Even though the market has been going down lately, the value of XRP has gone up a lot more than tripling in the last year. Because of this growth, institutional investors are becoming more interested in digital assets as a possible part of their investments, and this interest is still strong. XRP is becoming more and more famous, and Franklin Templeton's filing is seen as a smart move to take advantage of the cryptocurrency's potential. It is planned that the ETF will be listed on the CBOE BZX market once it has been launched. This will make XRP easier for traditional investors to access. Because of how the exchange-traded fund ETF is set up, Coinbase is in charge of keeping the fund's XRP reserves safe.